Alright,
Wait, you gotta get out of the way, Jules.
the cinnamon challenge. It can't be that hard. So knows it's a bad idea.
Yeah,
Do it.
I'm telling you it's a bad idea. What's
You
wrong
can
with
do
you?
it.
Mark, let's get it going.
Isn't the mold water the worst?
Yeah, go. Just suck it down.
You're just stupid. Mark, was it that bad?
Next time you have to listen to your wife.
Yeah. Was it that bad?
By the way, you don't get the 20.
Something tells me this. It doesn't look that bad.
It's stuck in my teeth. That's gonna take like at least an hour to go away.
Mark, try it again. I bet it'll work the second time. Idiot. How do you feel, Mark?
So what happened, Mark? Talk to us.
It's like a big red. Like 3 pieces of big red.
That's not that bad.
Oh, I was trying so hard. It wouldn't go nowhere. I do it for a couple of seconds and it's like, I started